Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App money not showing up in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your Cash App application on your phone. When you are inside, you just have to tap on this activity tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now inside the activity tab, you need to look carefully at the payment status. If the payment says pending, completed or failed, the fix changes depending on the status. So a lot of people only check the balance and completely miss that the payment is still pending in the activity. Now, after doing so, you can just simply refresh the account properly. So sometimes the payment actually arrived, but the app failed to refresh the balance correctly. So in this case, you just have to simply close your Cash App application completely from the recent app. After that, you just have to reopen it. If the money still doesn't appear, you can also just simply tap on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, you can just simply scroll down and tap on the option of sign out. You can also restart your phone and then you can sign in back in again. Now you can also click on your profile icon and then select the option of personal information. If Cash App is requesting you for any identity verification or any SSN confirmation, the account may temporarily hold the incoming money until verification is completed. So this happens more often now on the newer accounts or the larger transfers. So you can also check that out. Thank you.